Good morning, guys. Hello baby here. Welcome on today's videos. A very special one, guys. It's another beautiful day which God have granted us, and guys, thank you so much for clicking my videos. And in case you're new here on today's videos, please guys subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And remember guys, I'm on the process of building my mama dream house. You know guys, through you my dream will go through. You know, I'm just over here buying materials here and there, you know. And me, I wish you all the best guys. You know, without you I didn't manage to go for this far, you know. And technically guys, on today's videos I was waiting this day, and finally it's happened today. I wish you all Mother's Day all over the world, wherever you are. If you watch my videos or not yet, I wish you happy Mother's Day. At the same time guys, I'm going to wish my African mom happy Mother's Day, and I'm praying my God give you longer life, good health, you know guys. And at the same time guys, I'm just within here. I just came with my baby, it's just waiting right there. You know guys, me every day I want to appreciate, you know. I said, God, thank you for the gift of life, you know. And guys, you know, this forest here, it's very calm, chilly, you know. Most of my intro starts from here, and probably because I breathe fresh air, you know. So I think I should give you a nature going that way, you know guys. Okay, me, I feel so happy, you know, to wish you all of you happy Mother's Day. And the day is coming to wish happy Father's Day. I know the day is coming, but for now let me wish everybody, if you are a lady, if you are my mom, my sister, happy Mother's Day, you know. So I'm just over here, and I appreciate guys, I appreciate. So far so good. Let's see this month what I'm supposed to buy, man. Either sand or balanced stones, you know. Every construction has some challenges, you know. You think maybe you finish this one happened, you finish this, that one happened. But I mean, I keep saying guys, at least right now, since I build my toilet at home, it expands my mind, you know, in terms of buying materials here and there. I was starting with 0, but I was past so many challenges here and there. But right now I learn step by step, you know. So when I'm going to build my mama dream house, so at least so far so good, I have material for the starting, you know. So I supposed to buy sand, balance stones, cement, you know, like money labor will just be there, you know. I supposed to pay engineer, all of those things I supposed to indicate down. But I will never give up guys, you know. I wanna stand strong. And I said, if I manage to finish the toilet, let me try to see how I can finish my mom's dream house. And guys, I know most of the people, you're waiting this day to become, you know. So only some few things I'm waiting for, you know, especially my neighbor who planted maize there. I'm waiting her to harvest the maize, and then from that I'll do what? I'll start cutting trees like this one down, splitting timbers, and then the remaining logs to remove, you know, to levelize the field, you know. It's a lot of things here and there, but guys, keep praying for me, everything shall be okay. And if you are coming across to this channel, please guys, remember to subscribe, comment and share, and all the way positive vibe win, you know. So wow guys, I'm more happy. And in case when you here guys, please check out Felicitas. I'll pin her link on the comment section, so you can able to see the link and then subscribe to her channel guys, you know. Today I help her, maybe tomorrow she's gonna help other people, you know. That's how we keep improving. And on my yesterday live stream, people ask me, hello baby, if you like you explore so many places, your channel could be grow. Yeah, me, I agree on that 100%. But for this farm, let me build my mama house, and then the moment I finish up, guys, the moment I finish up, that's my second thing, to travel, you know, maybe East Africa. And then I need to process my passport, you know. Although I know to travel East Africa, it's needed, maybe you have an identity card or migration passport. But to be honest, I want to process my own passport, and then by the time being, as I keep building my mama house, I'm waiting my passport, you know. So to travel maybe to Uganda, Rwanda, you know, going to Burundi, but Congo, it's a bit tough, you know. So maybe I'll go I will go Tanzania, Uganda, Burundi, and Rwanda. And maybe, yeah, I will try that one, guys. But to travel, it's need maybe at least have enough money, you know, like to book, you know, room to sleep, you know, you need to eat, you know, and to travel, like to explore most historical places, you know, need you to have money, you know, all of that. But I work on that, you know, on this YouTube platform. I'm just new, but I'm learning things here and there. And my dreams to travel, guys, my dreams to travel, you know. So I want to travel today, and then I bought materials, I didn't build my mama house. And then even, guys, you want to ask me, baby, you know, why don't you finish building your mama house and then starting traveling? So everything, it has its own time, you know. Today I finish this, you wait, guys, to be honest, you wait. And I think today should I go that way, but this one here, when I come back, it's a little bit the road is bad, you know, have muddy. So I think you know, we have poor roads here, guys. And also we have readers. Me, I want to say thank you so much. Like the places like South Africa, it has clean roads, tarmac everywhere, electricities, you know. And also even US, you know, even Jamaica. But you can't find road like this, you know. 24 hours is to wash my bike. At the same time, I feel so tired, you know. And also, guys, imagine you have leaders who working in government, you know. If they're watching this video, please do something for the peoples, you know. People are suffering outside here, you know. Me, I just believe before governments do something for you, you need to sacrifice yourself, like putting electricities, you know, doing something which is recommendable before governments do things for you, you know. Don't rely on government, like, oh, let me see it, my government will take my kids to school. Never, guys, never. You want to work, take your kids to school, study, and then if the government will help you, they will help you, you know. So me, I just believe on that, you know. And nothing come on a silver platter. You must work for it. For example, guys, I work for it to get that motorbike closer to 8 months. But when I bought, I had some rumors, you know, like, how come Selo Baby, you know, within a few period of months bought a new motorbike, and then his friend struggling since day one, he didn't get a new, you know. Everybody have its own mind thought, you know. Me, when I get money, I save, you know. Like when I have dream, like I want to buy this shirt, when I get 1 bob, I save, and then 2 bob, 3 bob, and then when this shirt is around 10 bob, I save 1 bob, you know, until when it reach 10 bob, I buy this shirt. That's how my mind is, you know. So let's go this way, guys. Story from another day. You know, let's people talk. Today you talk like, oh, hello baby, bought a new motorbike. You don't, my friend, let me tell you, you don't know tomorrow. I wanna drive, you know. Today you see me on a motorbike. Tomorrow you see me driving. And actually guys, I have that dream to drive my own car. You know. And guys, I pray one of my fan just came to visit my home, and then you prove everything that you see on TV, it's live, like no faking things, no faking life. You know, me, I'm showing you the way things is, you know. And oh man, you see, it's muddy guys. But I maintain my bike because it helped me to maneuver around, you know. All the way from my home up to here, I use my motorbike, you know. And guys, to be honest, I paid a little money, you know. So right now we talk with the client, like we talk with the manager. So anytime the number plate guys will be arrived, you know, So I don't want to drive my bike, which is numberless, and then I don't mind to get issues with traffic, you know, with police officers. Where's your number plate, you know? And for this case, most of the bike have been stolen here and there, and then I must have my own number plate, you know. So I think from Monday up that week starting, which is tomorrow, up to Friday there, I think my number plate will be arrived, guys, and then I will show you, like, nothing to be hide on this case. So even me, I feel like to drive when my bike is full completed, guys, you know. So I paid right now I paid closer to $450. So I'm remaining with $350 to complete. So we agree with the manager, so he could give me the number plate and then remaining with the logbook, you know, when I finish that $350. So I could go and take my logbook. So the day when I'm going to take my logbook, you will see, guys, you will see, I will create a videos. But so far so good. Me, I said, God, thank you for this far. And I managed to pay that bike. So I'm remaining with 350, guys, you know, dollars. You know, guys, see, by supporting me, I managed to do things like that. And then right now, I want to remaining free, you know, with my bike. Wow, guys, green nature, cool place, you know. Wow, me, I feel so happy. Even right now, I have the key on my motorbike, you know. I could park any places that I'm going and I lock, because that's my bike. If I spend like 3 to 4 hours, no one will say, oh, you go with my bike, you spend a lot of time. And guys, let me tell you one thing. Before I get my first motorbike, there is one of the border rider, actually around in my village, most of the people are border rider. I hired a motorbike, guys, only going to border town, coming back to buy some jelly, solely like to buy some jelly, you know. And then only going to border town, coming back, the guy overcharged me $5. I said, all right, I will pay you, and then I'll cut off your business between me and you. Because, guys, I think going to border town, coming back to Nyabohanse, if maybe somebody charge you, it's around $2, you know. But the guy charged me $5, guys. I swear in God. But God opened the door, and I was making videos, hiring people's motorbike, going to border town, you know. And one of my friends come all the way from America to the village during the party season, you know. And then big shout out to Monkey, you made it possible, bro. And right now I have that motorbike up to now. It's Honda, you know. Also that Honda is blue. And then My friend Monkey told me, bro, I was watching you several times, you know, hiring people's motorbike, going to border town. You know what? I'm gonna surprise you with a second new motorbike. And I said, okay, thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. You know, it's only God who knows. So my friend Monkey told me, guys, you just go and look at Nyabuhanse there. If you get the motorbike for around, let me say around, into Kenyan shillings, it's around 50,000 Kenyan shillings. But I didn't get. I get around the bike for 70,000 shillings. So that's almost to $500. So when I get that bike, the guy need 900,000 Kenyan shillings. 90,000, not 900. Sorry guys, 90,000. We agree with Monkey. Monkey said, me, I will pay for Hello Baby 70,000 Kenyan shillings. And then the guy said, no, if we negotiate, the exact price will be around 75,000 Kenyan shillings. So I said, okay, Monkey, if you paid that motorbike 70,000 Kenyan shillings, the 5,000 remaining, I will pay alone. I will manage to pay it. And then we agree. The guy gave me the motorbike. I was going around here and there. And then me, I was riding the bike, you know, maintaining them here and there. And then I said, okay. But for example, when I'm riding that bike, nobody knows the issues. When I'm selling, nobody knows the issues. You know, so that bike, every time is to renovate, like taking to the service. This one mess up, this one mess up. And guys, you've been there watching my videos. If I'm lying, for those people who are watching my videos every day, you know what I mean. So I took that bike every day. You know, this one gets bad. I need to change the new stuff. Yeah, and I said, okay, oh my God. One day, I could have my new motorbike. One day. And then, that motorbike, I said, if I get the money, if maybe it could be $100, let me take $70 I paid, and then I remaining with $30, you know. Slowly. I paid around 7 to 8 months, and then we make an agreement, you know, for 8 months, and then I paid the half of the money of that motorbike. And then when I'm going to take the motorbike, I was remaining with $800 to complete the motorbike. But so far so good. We agree. We came. I left my logbook. I left my number plate, and I said, okay, man, because I don't want to ride my bike with no number plate. So the remaining money, I'll pay around $350. You give me the number plate, and then I paid $450. So, and then the remaining of $350, when I finish up, you give me the logbook. And guys, we agreed with the manager. He said, it's okay. When you finish up, when you pay a half of the money of $800 that remaining, I'll give you a number plate. So guys, I'm telling you, this week you will see the number plate. And then I'll keep continuing paying slowly, and then I finish that $350. So they could give me the logbook, and then I'm free. So that is how things is here. So I think, guys, I explained. I know me, I don't want to talk here and there it's happened, you know. But most of the people around my village ask some question. How Hello Baby gets the motorbike? You know, me, I swear in God. I'm free-hearted. That's how I pay that motorbike. Even today, guys, for example, today, I want to have another new motorbike. I could pay slowly. Let me say, this is the month of May. Let me say June, July, August, September, October, November, that's 6, November 6, December 7, January 8. By January, I have already, the argument that we made it, I have already completed, and then the rest will be, that's how we manage to pay things, you know. So, let them talk, but I mean, no time for them, you know. people around in our village here need to see you like crying, you know, no food. But I said, God, thank you to have this motorbike. Even right now I'm riding, no pressure on that. I think today I should launch this road, guys. This road. Let me try it, guys, and then see. It's, you know, I normally use this road going up to that way. Let me use this one for today, you know. And apart from that story, on today's videos is to wish Happy Mother's Day in the world. At the same time, I'm going to wish my mama Happy Mother's Day, you know, back at home. Guys, but I think let me use this road because I don't know how that road looks like. I think so, guys. Let me use the road which I was using for each and every time, because you don't know how the bad roads looks like going to the deep of the village. Let me go this way, guys, so I don't want to complicate issues. Wow. Guys, I'm enjoying life. It's by God's grace, you know. I'm grinding every day hard, you know, every day working so hard, you know. Coming up with good idea, you know. Hey, fresh air from this side, you know. Me there, the American people, me there, wagwan, you know. I'm fully outside. Yeah. Wow. Let's go. You know, guys, the reason why I love my village, it's because when you have money, life is simple, you know. And then to enjoy green nature, you know, to compare city life, you know. I have been in Nairobi, man, let me tell you, life is so expensive in Nairobi. I have been Kisumu, I have been Kisumu twice. Let me tell you guys, life is so expensive in the city compared to my village. You know, in my village here, I can ride my bike, you know, from one point to another point. And then if I have on my pocket $2, I can get food to eat in a hotel. But in the city, guys, especially when I go to Nairobi, you need to have $1,000 for breakfast. Imagine how life is. But for those people who want me to travel, one day the time is coming, guys. One day I'll travel, then I'll show you. Oh, I see. Let me park here, guys. Guys, I'm parking my bike here. Okay. So I see the sand here. The guy harvests sand. And let me show you guys this village life, you know. Babu, obasisa no wa manti. Eh? No karu siti pihike. Eh? Yeah, moyo. Oh, na igoro hara hokore. Oh. Okay, guys. Imagine he was taking that sand from here Eko hata konongo. Monono moru gomo. Tone koreo. Guys, he didn't have the spade. Guys, he didn't have the spade. He using like finger to scoop. Oh my god. I even got a tip if you. Guys, look. Village life. You know, so what he told me, no spade for scooping the sand from there. Hano monta akore kore no atume. So no aguri. Oh guys. So he do like that until one lorry to be enough. Boom. These are good sand, guys, from the river, you know. So he really shocked me, guys. Like he was using hands to scoop sand until this point. Me, I think it's pain, guys. It's pain. Calling a woman sana. It's pain, man. Let me show you one more at a time and then I go. You know. Si adu ni mchangu kwa papa.
Hiyo hata ni mchanga.
Nambene mali yao sasa. Oh my god.
Kama dawa yenyewe nimefikisha nini?
Name pick up.
Pick up wewe.
You didn't pick up. I don't know.
Hata huo.
Watu wanakuibaga
Hawezi kuiba hapo.
Unakuaga round.
Tokangi humu.
Oh my god. Aya babu, ngoja mimi niende. Aya.
Kuna itaji.
Sasa hizi sijakuwa lakini mwezi wa 5 hapo mwisho.
Mwezi wa 5 tukate mtoshi.
Sasa unajua mchanga wa mtoni ndo mzuri. Usikana na mataki.
Kuna matope hapo. Mbona kila siku anakuja ngona.
Aye. Okay guys, let me go. So I was telling him when I supposed to buy the sand, but not now. At the end of this month, I'll think what I'm supposed to buy. And then the guy who make for me bricks, at the end of this month, he's supposed to return my money back, you know? Like, no money to waste, guys, you know? Okay. That's your son, hello baby, on the bike. Guys, we made it possible. I have my bike. Even, guys, I'm dreaming in the future to have my car, a small car, you know, for my family. So I don't want to buy a bigger car, which give me hectic. Me, guys, I believe one day I will have my own car. I have that dream to drive, you know. So maybe this one I'll give one of my brother. One day, guys, one day, guys. Remember the time which are you watching these videos? One day, guys, I'll have my own car, a small baby car driving in the village. So, guys, I'm heading this way. So, keep watching these videos to the end and let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's videos. But for me, are very, very special, and I'm outside here to celebrate Happy Mother's Day with my beloved mom, with my beloved sister, you know. So let's go. Whoa. That's banana plantation garden on the other side, you know. No crying, you know. Whoa, man. Even other people harvest sand. Yeah, I think this is a season people harvest sand, you know. This is the best time, man. See that small house? Guys, what do you think about that house? Let's go. Wow. Okay. Kidnap for the video. For the video. Video. Come on. Wow. Yeah. This is Nyabahansi village to the world. Ooh. Okay, people are building, man. You see other side. Okay. Kids are riding bicycle. Look. Nachukua sehemu kubwa. Guys, I'm heading home, you know. Hey. Okay. So guys, I'm decided to pass here, you know, because other side, you know, it's full of mud. So at least I pass here in a good way, you know. Nice restaurant. Wow. Woo. Mama Africa. All right. Mama Africa. You know. Let's go. Other people do the time they're coming from church, guys, you know. Hey, hey. Woo! No. Okay. Okay, guys. Hey. Let's go. Hey. Guys, I'm heading this way, you know. Even I see my mama. Njo! Touch! Guys, I'm lucky enough. I see my mama with my sister. Don't have. Hey, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Say hello, mom.
Hello.
Say happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Yeah, guys, I wish my mama happy Mother's Day. And I found them came from church. Leo menda hapa. Okay, twende. Okay, guys. Yeah. Okay. Guys, happy Mother's Day, you know. So today they went at Isibania church. Like today no Nyabuhansi church, other side. So let's go. Wow. Passing side here. Village life. Hi guys. Oh my god, look at this. Okay. Kigadi. Manganang biya gari, mkoloni. Wow. People from church. You know. Hey. Downside guys. It's smelling bad. Oh. Kasongo! Hey, get it!
How are you, my good people?
Hi.
We're just over here, guys.
Hey.
My brother Taki. We're coming from church.
Yeah.
We're going back at home.
Yes.
Consider watching the video until the end.
Let me tell you one thing. Yeah?
I love you.
Guys, people say like Brother, if you walk with enemy, you cut off. Stop over. Brother, how was everything? Brother, how was everything?
I personally like Brother Dagi. I love you. I love each and everyone. And also, every single day, support each other.
Okay.
Show us some kind of love.
I'll come to check you.
Yeah, I'm waiting you, brother.
So I to fish out nyumbani.
I am waiting.
Lakini nitakopa kile kile first. Let's go. So I'll come to visit Brother Dagi, and then I think we go to Border Town to drink soup. Let's go. Wow. Yeah, it's good guys. I picked my mama from church, you know, heading home. Today it's another route, you know. They went to around, I think it's Bani. You know, we have two Catholic church, Nyabohansa and Sibani. So I think, okay, I think the most service took at Sibani. Atole mara kamba atirem. Ngekerem.
Jango.
Oh, today they have a, yeah? Oh, you have given to your church. So that's the reason why you go to Hispania. And guys, let me tell you, Hispania, it have been built during the colony period, guys. So it's a headquarter for every Catholic around the village. You know, Border Town, they went to Hispania. Where other places. Because today Mama told me our governor came to visit them and contribute something. Woo! On fire! Let's go! Wait! The guy is making bricks. Whoa! Look at that side. Hey. Whoa! Let's go back home. home, guys. East, west, home is the best, you know. Let's build a home, guys. Wow. Hey. Sweet home, guys. Guys, we're back home. That's my mama. We're back home. That's my sister. Okay, guys, finally I'm back home. So I'm calling home, you know. That's my mama, right? They came from church, and we appreciate, guys, you know. At least nowadays I have my mama. I have somebody who calling mom, you know. So for guys, for this far, I have my single parent. That's my mama. You know, my dad passed away. If I could have both of my parents, guys, you could see vibing together. Like me, like I don't want to hide anything in my life, you know. I have only my mom, and then I took care of my mama, you know, since I was young. Both of my parents take care of me. And then my dad passed away when I was young, around 13 years. So right now, guys, I said, Dad, wherever you are, my soul rest in peace. And you know, I think the spirit for my dad is watching me what I'm doing to our family, guys, you know. And like me, I don't want to say, oh, my dad passed away, my dad dead, and then probably maybe back years or as the day go, you see my dad. Never not. I don't want to fake life, you know. So I'm just with my mama and my young brother and sister. So I think God opened the door to connect on this platform, and we changed the situation, we changed the background, you know. In back years, we didn't have the borehole, we didn't have a nice toilet, but through you guys, you supporting me since day one up to now, I built the toilet, and it's by God's grace, you know. I appreciate. Wow. So also, I said what the way I have been helped. Let me help Felicitas. Also, they can help their family to put something on table. Guys, there's something here. See here? It's paining me. Like I was touching several times, you know. So imagine, guys. Imagine, guys. When I see this toilet, it's opened my mind, and then I said, all right, guys, all right. So me on today's videos is to wish you happy Mother's Day. I have my moms outside there, I have my sisters, you know, I have my elder sisters outside there, I have my colleague sister outside there, you know. I wish you happy Mother's Day. As long as you're ladies, your categories of ladies, I wish you happy Mother's Day. It depends how the age you are, you know. But as long as you're a lady, I wish you happy Mother's Day. And for my beloved mom, thank you so much. May God give you long life, good health, you know. All right, guys. Let me go and check our cows, you know. I was not around here. And since morning, you know, I was going to charge my camera, heading to other side, you know. This is my grandma hands right here, looking for something to eat. Look, guys, we have organic avocado, you know. Life in our village here, it's very simple, So let me check our cows, guys, you know. So as we enjoy, guys. So for my premiere again, I'll try the best to see whether you can get these videos, and then you have a sweet talk. Look, so these trees which I'm supposed to say, I will cut them all down. Wow. Hey, you good? You're enjoying here. Okay, guys. Okay. You know, we take care of our cows. You know, may I show you how many cows that we have? You know, if you count on cameras, you see. You good? I love the cows, guys. I love animals. You know. Wow. After these videos, I'm going to visit Brother Dagi, and then to see how the day is, because he was planning to come and visit me, but because you know everybody have, like, the time was so fixed around here. You know, maybe today I said I'm going to visit my friend, and then because of time here and there I forget it, or the time was so fixed. Wow. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to spray the cows. You know, I'll spray them. So guys, I was talking about this month, guys. I'm thinking to buy sand, all balanced stones, and then I poured here. So guys, what do you think? Because the blocks that are remaining I will buy at the last lap, you know. So at least let me touch everywhere, like buying this. I'll talk with my engineer which type of the ballast he need. So I'll see, guys. Either I will buy one lorry for the ballast, I put here on sand, because I have another sand right there, you know, like no sand. I have other ballast stones that are remaining on the other side. So I'll ask probably the ballast stone which they could put on the ground, you know. We have stones here. Every day when I walk, man, I see this life here. I said, God, thank you. Wow, guys, that's my uncle's project right there. This is the balance which I was talking. So I will ask my engineer whether these are okay, and then we see what's next. Let me greet my cousin doing some courses activities right here. Hey, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
Yes, I'm good.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Nebi Priceways Official. Yeah.
So guys, that's how we feed the cow. Guys, subscribe to my cousin, guys. So that's the process of feeding the cows. This stuff all the way from banana. And then also we eat banana fruits. The cow eat this stuff, you know. Look, they're enjoying here. Alright guys, let me go and something to eat, and then from that I'll visit Brother Dagi to his home. Actually guys, when I was filming these videos, you see him picking some people from church, you know. I don't want to fake life like, oh. So, wow. My beautiful home, you know, you see that view. And I'm supposed to wear the jacket because anytime it wanna start raining, guys, you know. Wow. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. And in case you're new here, guys, please, I know I have people who watch my videos didn't subscribe. Please try your best to subscribe on today's videos. So this is my mountain bike. I was starting with this one. You see guys, I have a dream to buy a motorbike. I was starting to have a mountain. So guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, I I didn't find Brother Dagi, so I decided let me take you around at the back of border town where other people don't show you on TV. So this road, it will take me to Tanzania. At the same time, this road will take me at Migori. This road at the same time, guys, it will take me up to Nyabuhansi. So today we wanna do with you a short road trip, you know. So this St. Angela Secondary School right here. So let's go. This teacher's quarter here and staff from the other side, and also at the same time this is Banya Boys. So let's go down. Let's see how things go. You know. Also this road will take me up to the Bahans. I'm telling you guys. Same time this is Banya Primary School right here. Let's try, you know. A man can try. People are really fast, guys. At this case, people have really tried their best, you know. Look how the road looks like. Even I see the car stuck ahead here. Guys, this other side of the border town where maybe I didn't show you on TV, but hello baby, show you one at a time. Kids are going to school as casual, you know. So down here, let's do this. Woo! Oh my God! Just slope, guys. Also have the bridge right here. Let's go. This other side of the border town, you can tell it looks like super amazing. So guys, let's launch this road with you and then to see where it can take me around, you know. I'm telling you, this road is taking me up to Tanzania. Whoa. So wow. This other side where media didn't show you. So for me, I'm showing you live today, you know. No problem, guys. Oh my gosh. See how this place have been built, man. It tells you people invest. Look, guys. Side here. Let's see right here. People invest on this case. Wow. This is where I made it to show you guys, and I'm gonna show you. This is another academy school right here. Oh my God! Let's go! Boom! Also, we have a studio here for the singing music. You can see this side here. Wow! This is a studio right here. Maybe I didn't show you on TV. Okay, guys, right now I'm in border town. We can't imagine I'm in border town right now as we speak here. I'm in border town. So this is the back of the border town. And wow, let's see. All right, guys, you know. So guys, I'm launching with this road, showing you the shortcuts, you know. Okay, let's go. People build, man, on this side here. Also, there's a school right here, you know. Wow, Palm Lodge right here. Wow. So guys, I want to prove you how I'm using this road, and it takes me at Border Town. This Border Town. And then I want to use these routes. Okay. To see where they can take me up in your hands. Hey. Wow. So we want to test this road, and then we see, guys, it will take me up to Nyabohans. You will see, guys. At the same time, if I want to divide to Migori, it will take me, guys, you know. Okay, guys, come along with me, and let's explore together, guys, you know. Woo. Okay, guys, that's the maize plantation on the other side of the church, you know. Okay. Wow. So the route of going to Tanzania is that one, going straight. This one, I can use it going up to Nyabohanse, and then going to Migori, Shka, and then you know, let's go. Let's see, guys, whether am I right or wrong, you know. Like, the good thing about okay, guys, sorry, the good thing about me, I'm showing you live, you know? Also, this one, I think it's go to Tanzania. That one there. Me, I'm telling you. Wow, beautiful forest, guys. It's large, man. 1 million of trees. You know? Let's prove, guys. Let's prove with you. Let's prove with you. My good people. Maize are doing well on this part here. Let's prove. You know, the good thing is to make some improvements. Next time, guys, I'll use the same direction to take you up to Migori, and then we'll see. You know, but for now, we prove it. This road it takes us up to Tanzania, you know, Nyavanse, and then up to Migori. So we have 2 dimensions of the road. I think on this side here we have 2 dimensions of the road. Heading straight, other one going down. So guys, to be honest, I'm standing here. This dimension going to Migori. This one here going to Nyabuhanse. Let's use this one for the first time to see when I was taking you around, and then I told you it will take me up to Nyabuhanse. Let's try. Everything is to try, man. It's to try. A man can try, you know. Car racing right here. Heading there. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Okay guys, what I need is to prove and then showing you the reality, you know. Well, as long as when I have my bike, it will help me to maneuver around, you know. This Spain, this is a church right here. And guys, remember on today's video, today to celebrate Mother's Day, and I wish everybody Mother's Day to the world, you know. Well, that's finger millet plantation. You know, people here in our village do agricultural plantation, you know. Okay. Yeah, boy. Nene? What? Baby, say hello. Nikusaidieje?
Nipeleke mpaka Nyago.
Shida ni nini?
Niende kuchukua mafuta.
Uko serious? Ni mafuta. Simpulize. Guys, their bike stahuta. The bike cut off the gasoline, guys. Tasukuma mwe. Rongo tasukuma haram nyulira ndahiro no nyabo. So yatara kunyori kuhanyuru hikire. Muhayo more njo yera ha. Kina ijua.
Nyadeni.
Okay guys, their bike cut off the gasoline. So guys, I support my brother here. Taking him to the Bohanse. They're not buying that I'm a good day. So guys, remember I'm trying to see this road where they can take us to the Bohanse. Nangere ngora ator mamusi. Kumurudishie. Weke murudishie. That's enough to space. Let's go. Guys, all my video it's about to ride the bike motorbike around the village, guys, you know. And then to show you so many places. Wow. Cow grazing at the grazing point, you know. Okay, let's move. I think guys my video I'll end like that way, not riding the bike. It's not a big deal. Fish. Wow. Woo, woo. Hey, hey. Guys, right now this is your behind. So guys, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. So we shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow, guys, you know, tomorrow. Bye everyone.